Hey guys, welcome to another Hess and Brock's video. Brock is not here, but I am Hess, and welcome to Hess and Brock's YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Hess, and my other friend is Brock, but this is a video without him. And today we're going to be doing my fidget spinners. And I'm going to be doing music with the fidget spinners, but not dancing, guys, okay? So, let me get my fidget spinners. So what I have here is this one. And hold on, let me get this one. Oops. And look, this one's like metal or something like that. And can't get this thing in right here. The caps. Well, but here's one of my other fidget spinners. I'll put them on the table. But now we're going to be doing this, okay? So what we're going to be doing here, oops, I'm messing this up. Well, I'll just go put this down right now. And we're going to be playing some music, but let me get my other fidget spinners, okay? Please just wait. I'll just play some music for you while I'm gone. Okay? Play.
Harlem.
Hey guys, I'm back. My mom's looking for my other fidget spinners. Here's one. It's a Bluetooth fidget spinner. Has a speaker here. It plays music. It hooks up to your phone. But right now, this one's not really lighting up. I don't know why. I've been trying, but it's not working. See, switch is here. No, nothing. See, but what I have but what I do is I repair fidget spinners. So just to keep you entertained, I'll just put this so you can. No, I am not doing that. Oh my gosh! All right, well, let's do the Harlem shake. Am I right? So, Harlem shake. I need to move the camera.
Con los terroristas.
And that's all for I have for you today. I forgot that I was dancing. So, and today's shout out is Isabella. She's my friend from school. So, peace, guys.